Okie dokie. So we want to fill this area with square tiles. And so it has to fit perfectly. So we have a lot of possibilities. Let's take each dimension separately. So for this length here is 72. To make that 72 inches, and ignoring that 42 for a second, you could have tiles that are a certain size and a certain number of them. So you could try to make one big, let's do number and size. So you could try to do just one big 72-inch tile to try to fill the space. But clearly that's not going to work if this side here is only going to be 42. So we could also do two tiles, each a size of 36, but the 36 isn't going to work on that side. So let's keep just kind of going with this. We could do three that would each be 72 divided by 3 is 24. And we could do 4, and that's 18. I swear the arithmetic is the hardest part. You couldn't do 5-inch tiles because 5-inch tiles wouldn't fit, right, along that 72. But you could do 6 and 12. You can't do 7, but you could do 8 and 9. And once you see that 8 and 9, your next number that you would be checking would be 9, and that starts to repeat. So you can just work your way back the other way. You could do 9, 8, 12, 6-inch tiles, 18, 4-inch tiles, 24, 3-inch tiles, 36, 2-inch tiles, and 72 1-inch tiles, just for completeness of the table. So this is the number of ways you could possibly make this dimension happen. But remember, you also have to take care of that dimension, 42. And so the number of tiles you could have one big 42-inch tile, or you could have two 21-inch tiles running up the side, or 3 and 14. 4 does not work, 5 does not work, 6 and 7, and then again when you hit the 7 you can start to repeat. 14, 3, 21, 2, 42, 1. So now these tiles have to be the same size in both directions clearly, so we need to find the ones that they have in common. And what you're going to write when you're writing out your answer for this is that we're finding common factors of 72 and 42. So let's see, they both have, let's see, I'll go by the size. So he can't make a 72, he can't make a 36, he can't make a 24, he can't make an 18, he can't make a 12, nor a 9, wow, nor an 8. Ah, there we go, finally. They can both have 6-inch tiles, that'll work for both of them. No 4, but a 3 will work. A 2 will work, and a 1 will work. So when they say find three different size tiles that will work to fill this space, we've actually found 4. So we could use 6-inch tiles, 3-inch tiles, 2-inch tiles, or 1-inch tiles. And these are our common factors. Now the next thing they ask is, what if we want to use the least amount of tiles possible to fill the space? Well, if we want to use the least amount possible, we want to use the biggest tile. So in this case, we want to use 6, and that biggest one is the greatest common factor, right? The greatest common factor is 6, so we're going to want to use 6-inch tiles to fill the space. And we're not quite done yet because they ask, well, how many tiles would you use? So if we use 6-inch tiles, we would need 72 divided by 6, we would need, whoa, brain freeze, 12. We would need 12 tiles going across this way, and 42 divided by 6, we would need 7 tiles going up that way, to make a total number of tiles of 12 times 7 is 84 tiles. And that's the least amount of tiles you could use to fill this space.